Have you ever felt overwhelmed with exams looming, assignments piling up, and bills to pay? It can feel like the whole world is against you. And even how that feel. A year ago, I was lost and scared of failing. But then, I cracked the code and built a small business from scratch while keeping up my grades. In this video, I will share how I did it step by step. Being an undergraduate can be tough. It's not just about studying. You face blackout, strike, and endless bills. There were times I struggled to afford data for assignments. Watching my parents struggle left me feeling helpless. I realized I needed to change my situation. I had to stop waiting for opportunities and start taking the right actions. The fear of failing was real, but the fear of being broke pushed me to pursue something better. I began with just 1,000 naira. I explored skills, my phone, and free apps. I choose graphic design, watching YouTube tutorials daily, and practice for friends. My first paid job was small, but it proved I could earn money. At the beginning, I felt behind compared to other students hustling around me. I often wonder if I could succeed, but I knew I had to try. One night, I had a breakthrough. Lying in bed, I realized that waiting for big break meant missing out on smaller one. That night, I listed 3 skills I could learn. YouTube become my mentor. I couldn't afford courses, so I watched Canva tutorial late into night. I practiced designs on my phone, even when I was tired. The day I earned 1,000 naira for designing a flyer was game changer for me. It wasn't about the money. It was a proof that my skill could generate income. To avoid burnout, I started planning my week every Sunday. I scheduled time for studying, my business, and rest. This small structure transformed my productivity. I took advantage of every spare moment. Break between classes, weekend, and late night were filled with client work. Instead of aimlessly scrolling, I improved my skills. I faced challenges along the way. Sometimes clients delayed payment and there was power outage. I learned to set realistic deadlines and use offline tools. During these times, during tough movements, I reached out for support. Friends, WhatsApp group, and strangers on YouTube helped me get back on my feet. Running a business improved my time management and discipline. I found out I understand my lectures better as I become more focused and intentional. With my earning, I bought data and textbook, which gave me a new fun independence. That feeling empowered me and boosted my confidence. By my second semester, I had regular clients, a smooth system in place. My phone transformed from a pastime to an essential business tool. Looking back, I'm proud I didn't give up. The confused girl I once was is now helping others discover their skills. That genuine growth. If you feel stuck, remember this. You don't need a laptop or vast sum of money to start. You need a skill, a plan, and consistency. I'm excited to announce a class launching on June 15. It will help you find the best online or offline skills for your personalities and fun. Even if you have never run a business before, you can excel in both school and business. Start small, stay consistent, and build your future. Click the link below to join now. Only on the spot available.